Health concerns have plagued the Tokyo 2020 Games, but Sarah Groenewegen proved she is in top form, clinching a shutout victory in the team's tournament debut after battling back from a near-death experience with Legionnaire's disease. The win all the sweeter as softball just returned to the Games for the first time in 13 years.
We've got a wonderful mix of youth and experience, a great chemistry, a championship culture, women who are highly committed to their craft, and we're going to win a gold medal. And whether that happens or not remains to be seen, but that's our intention.
1, 2, 3, be it!
Canadian women are also once again leaving their mark on the pitch. The women's soccer team is striving to medal in its third consecutive Olympics. 6 minutes in, Christine Sinclair put Canada on the board. This was her 187th goal in international competition. Then came a heart-stopping moment. Canada's keeper, Edmonton's Stephanie Lebay, clearly in pain but unwilling to leave the match. Her dedication and skill shone through. There were no fans in the stadium, but odds are any Canadian watching let out a cheer with that save. Lebay did ultimately leave the match, and Japan would later tie it up for a 1-1 draw. The Sapporo Dome was also the site of the first political statements of the Games. Soccer players from Team Great Britain, New Zealand, and others took a knee before their matches. Players had been told such symbolic gestures would be prohibited at these Games, but when asked, the IOC president softened that stance.
It is allowed. It's no violation of the Rule 50. This is expressively what has been mentioned in these guidelines.
Thomas Bach also found himself defending COVID-19 protocols and protections. There are now more than 75 COVID-19 infections among athletes and accredited Games personnel. Tokyo recorded its highest daily case count in 6 months, with more than 1,800 new infections. A reminder of the unrelenting realities of this pandemic and the backdrop of the most unusual Olympics. Goomansingh, Global News, London.